Pardon?
How
How
much?
much?
Yeah. How much?
How much? How much? What? How much? What?
Also, the thing is, your tracking is not working. So my job
Mm-hmm.
is connect the tag manager perfectly, also the
Yeah.
Google Analytics. So
Yeah.
in the next meeting, we will check when any people book the booking. So the tag manager is fire count or not. This is number one point. And the second
Okay. Yeah.
and the second thing we will see the data is pass Google Analytics or not.
Mm-hmm.
Is the tag is fire or the data will be passed in Google Analytics, then the work is done, right?
Yeah.
This is number one
Okay.
thing. And also,
Yeah.
uh, could you please, so how much should I send you?
Pardon?
How
How
much?
much?
Yeah. How much?
How much? How much? What? How much? What?
Actually, you are the business owner, so
Yeah.
if you need any others work for by me, so I will support you. So
Yeah.
it's more good if you tell from your side your budget as a company owner.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I see what you're saying. So I'd like the ads sorted out, really.
Okay.
Um, yeah, and the tags. And then I suppose if that works well, then it would be good if we can keep coming back to look at it.
Okay.
Yeah. So I was looking to pay about £40 for that.
40 pound, it's mean, could you please USD
It's about
convert
it's
is
about
USD?
$50, I think,
$50.
American dollar.
So should I
Yeah.
send the $50 offer?
Yeah, does that sound okay?
Okay, allow me plan. So in $50, three
Yeah.
work I will done. One is Google
Yeah.
conversion tracking I will done. The
Yeah.
Google Analytics I will done. Also, I will
Yeah.
create a camping plan for you.
Okay, no problem. That's great. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful. Hopefully hear from you soon.
Yes. Also, you can use my name. My name is Saad. I mean, I can use this as my portfolio.
Okay. Okay, great. Thank you, Sad.
Okay. Thank you. So fully we join again meeting when I deliver the order and complete the order. Also, if I see any
Brilliant.
additional issue, I will message you.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you ever so much. I'm really grateful.
Okay, bye bye.
All the best. Bye.